Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel filter in a Mitsubishi Lancer. First, always prioritize safety by working in a well-ventilated area, away from any open flames or sparks. Before you begin, it's crucial to depressurize the fuel system to prevent fuel spray. Gather your tools, including various wrenches, a screwdriver, and a container to catch any residual fuel. For many Lancer models, the fuel filter is located within the fuel tank, integrated with the fuel pump assembly. To access it, you'll need to remove the rear seat bottom. Once the seat is out, you'll find an access panel. Carefully remove this panel and clean any dirt or debris from the surrounding area to prevent contamination of the fuel tank. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from the fuel pump module. Then, carefully release the fuel lines. Be prepared for some fuel to spill, so have rags ready. Use appropriate wrenches to unfasten the mounting nuts or bolts securing the fuel pump assembly. Gently lift the entire assembly out of the fuel tank, being mindful of the fuel level float arm. With the assembly out, you can now separate the old fuel filter from the pump. Install the new filter, making sure it's correctly oriented for fuel flow. Reinstall the fuel pump assembly into the tank, securing all mounting hardware. Reconnect the fuel lines and the electrical connector. Finally, turn the ignition to prime the fuel pump and check for any leaks before starting the engine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.